Adding external account to your Woodforest Bank is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can add external account to your Woodforest Bank. Well, the process is pretty simple. What you have to do is you simply have to follow these instructions. First things first, log into your Woodforest online banking account and then navigate to external transfer section. Now, in the external transfer section, you just have to go for add the new external account, and then you have to provide the necessary details, including your bank account number and all the details whichever are required. Now, afterwards, you just have to verify the ownership of your external account. If required, it might require or it may not. Now then you just have to confirm the addition via email or text, and then you just have to wait for it to get approved. Once it is approved, you can actually start transferring funds between these two accounts, but the process of approval can take up to days. So that's pretty much it. That's how you will be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.